Starting with exercise 4.3, question number 6. In this question, it is given that if the work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body, and we need to express this situation in linear equation in two variables, and also we need to represent it graphically by taking the value of the constant force as 5 units, and also we need to read the work done by the body when the distance traveled by the body is 2 units and 0 units. मतलब इसमें ना हमें वर्क डन दिया हुआ है और डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल दिया हुआ है. मतलब let the distance traveled by the body and work done by the body be x and y respectively. उसके बाद हम इक्वेशन देखते हैं. हमने क्या लिया? डिस्टेंस को हमने लिया x और वर्क डन को हमने लिया y. तो as for the first given condition, पहले समझो क्या दे रहा है, समझो. फिर से बताता हूं. It's a work done by body by application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance. This is the body. Distance traveled by the body. Let's write first. चलो पहले मैं आपको एक्सप्रेस करता हूं. According to the first condition, क्या बोल रहा है वो मैं आपको बताता हूं. Work done by the body, हाँ चलो, is directly proportional to the distance traveled. अब distance क्या लिया हमने? x. Okay. By the body. अब हमको पता है कि जब भी हम इस प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी के साइन हटाते हैं हमें इक्वल टू और कांस्टेंट रिप्लेस होता है. मतलब क्या होगा? y is equals to kx. मतलब क्या? Where this k is nothing but the force. समझ में आया आपको? The work done by the body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body. ये इसका मतलब है. Y is equals to kx. अब मैंने भी आगे बोला है क्वेश्चन में कि we need to represent this equation, linear equation to variable. है linear equation in two variables? हाँ है. अब हमें क्या करना है? ग्राफिकली रिप्रेजेंट करना है. और यूनिट क्या लेना है फोर्स का? 5 यूनिट्स. तो हम क्या करेंगे? We will solve this. Y is equals to 5x. Marking this as equation number 1. समझ में आया क्या? सबको समझ में आया? Best है. This is the work done is directly proportional to distance traveled by the body. पर यार एक बॉडी जब है वो डिस्टेंस कब ट्रैवल करेगा? जब हम फोर्स अप्लाई करेंगे. तो it is equal to k. K is nothing but the force. Okay? Getting it? And we know that the value of force is assumed as 5 units. Okay? So an equation becomes y is equals to 5x, marking this as equation number 1. भाई मेरा linear equation तो हो गया, but now I need to represent this linear equation graphically. So let's represent this linear equation graphically. Let's write the equation y is equals to 5x. So ये तो दिया हुआ है, बस x की वैल्यू पुट करनी है. So y is equal from equation number 1 we get y is equal to 5x. Now let's go with the p's. It's x, y, x comma y. Let's go with the column. Okay, again write y is equals to 5x. Okay. Now let's assume the value of x. So when x is equals to 0, we get y is equals to 5 into 0. We get y is equals to 0. When we assume the value of x as 0, we get the value of y as 0. Okay. When we assume the value of x as 1, we get the value of y as 1. Right? When we assume the value of x as 1, we get the value of y as 5. Let me assume the value of x as minus 1. When we assume the value of x as minus 1, we get the value of y as minus 5. That is, when we assume the value of x as minus 1, we get the value as minus 5. So coordinates are 0, 0, it's 1, 5, it's minus 1, minus 5. So let's write the coordinate for y is equal to 5x. It's 0, 0, it's 1, 5, and it's minus 1, minus 5. Let me show you how to represent it in your books before representing in your graphs this coordinates. Okay? So, let me write it out. Okay. Okay. So let the distance traveled and the work done by the body be x and y respectively. So work done is directly proportional to the distance traveled. So we got y is equals to kx, which is proportionality के साइन हटाते हैं तो हमें constant मिलता है, where k is a constant. By substituting the different value of x in the equation, we get when x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to 0. When x is equal to 1, we get y is equal to 5. When x is equal to minus 1, we get y is equal to minus 5. Thus, let's plot these coordinates on a graph paper. Let me introduce you a graph paper. Okay, now let me rub it out first. Introducing you graph paper. सबसे पहला रूल क्या था ग्राफ का? We have axis, it's y axis, y dash, it's x axis, x dash. Rule number 2, question number is very very important. It's question number 6. Rule number 3, भाई box दिख रहे हैं, करें क्या? Scale. We need to decide the scale, and the scale is nothing but it's 1 unit only. So one box is equals to 1 centimeter, and 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit on both the axes because it is fluid. Okay, now let's plot the points on the axis. It's positive this side, it's negative this side, above it is again positive and below it is again negative. Let's plot the points. Let's now plot the coordinates of equation y is equal to 5x. This column is x and this is y. It's 0 on the x-axis and 0 on the y-axis and the origin somewhere over here. It's 1 on the x-axis and 5 on the y-axis. 1 on the x-axis and 5 on the y-axis somewhere over here. Okay. It's minus 1 on the x-axis and minus 5 on the y-axis somewhere over here. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay. Now let's draw a straight line. Okay. Now, अब हमें मिल गया, हमारे कोऑर्डिनेट्स मिल गए 0, 0, 1, minus 1, minus 5 and 1, 5. अब हम इस इक्वेशन को नाम देते हैं y is equals to 5x. इस लाइन का नाम है. आगे क्वेश्चन था, we need to find the work done. Work done, right? Work done. That is y is equals to 5x. When the distance is 2 units, मतलब ये x क्या है यार? ये x distance है, right? x का distance है मेरा, right? x मेरा distance है. तो distance क्या बोल रहा है? x is equals to 2. When x is equals to, we will assume 2, we will get y is equals to 5 into 2, that is y is equals to 10. So on graph, our point will be, it's 2 on the x-axis, let's say the coordinate, it's x comma y, right? So the coordinate will be x की value क्या है? 2 and y की value क्या है? 10. It's 2 on the x-axis and 10 on the y-axis somewhere over here. It's 8, 9, 10 somewhere over here. Okay. समझ में आया? Okay. दूसरा दिया हुआ है. First are 2 units, the distance traveled is 2 units, and another way the distance traveled is 0 unit. चलो. Now let's assume the value of x as 0. मुझे क्या मिलेगा? 0. तो यहाँ क्या मिलेगा? 0. तो when I am assuming the value of x as 0, I am getting y as 0. तो x comma y, the coordinate are x की value 0, y की value 0. So it's 0, 0 somewhere over here. So हमने वो भी points plot किए जो हमको दिया हुआ था. When the distance traveled is 2 units, it's nothing but 2, 10. And when the distance traveled 0 unit, it's nothing but 0, 0. The coordinates of the equation. From the graph, it can be observed that the value of y corresponding to x is equals to 0. X0 2 unit is 10. This implies that the work done by the body is 10 units when the distance traveled by it is 2 units. The work done by the body is 10 units when the distance traveled. First of all, what statement? Y is equals to 5x, right? When you assume as 2, you got 10, right? The work done by the body is 10 units. When the distance traveled by the body is 2 units. This statement explains this. Next one. हमने क्या लिया था? 0 लिया था. तो क्या होगा? Y is equals to 5x again आएगा. और x equals 0 लिया हमने. The work done by the body is 0 units. When the distance traveled by the body is 0 units. Same thing. So from the graph, we got these two applications also. Okay. Now we are done with the sums. If you like it, do share, subscribe. Thank you.